That's where that's where you mess up. It's not paying your bills. It's after I paid all of my bills, what money buckets do I need to be focusing on? I have to decide between paying off this debt and putting enough money into this account so that I can hopefully have a comfortable retirement. How are you approaching that discussion? How are you approaching your money? I'm going to show you how you need to position your money so that not only can you retire, but you can have a comfortable retirement. I'm also going to teach you how to find lost money. I call it the found money technique. Most of you have the money that you need to get you where you want to be. It's just not allocated properly. You're wasting money. You're losing money in so many areas that we overlook. I'm going to show you where those areas are that you need to be looking at and what we're going to do with that money to hopefully get you into a position where you have a more comfortable retirement. This is not getting rich quick. This is using a predictable framework, an insurance-based framework to give us that certainty that we're going to need. Now, this doesn't mean that you don't need to do any other investing. No, we do other stuff too here at the Blackwood Company. We are just starting to do some real estate investing over in Nigeria. We are doing, we have a travel agency I just launched. We're going to help Black folks here in the United States travel over to Nigeria, make money, expand those conscious experiences. But guess what? In order to be able to live your life to the fullest, to be happy, you got to be financially secure. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how even if you don't increase your income, if you make some simple changes to where your money is currently, you will be completely surprised at how much additional retirement income we can create for you, again, without you even changing your lifestyle. I'm also going to teach you about the different types of insurance policies. There's multiple insurance policies out there. In fact, there are 10 different insurance strategies. Most people are only familiar with maybe 2 or 3 types of insurance. I'm going to really expand everyone's understanding of the different types of insurance policies out there, what those policies do, and when those policies are appropriate for you to use within your portfolio, again, depending on what objective you're trying to accomplish. I'm also going to teach you how to correctly eliminate your debt. Too many of you are in your 50s and in your 60s. You're going into retirement with entirely too much debt. You got a lot on you. I mean, I talk to you all every week, and countless of you who are in your 50s, 55, 60. Some of you are getting divorces. Some of you getting divorces. You 55 years old, 60 years old, you getting a divorce. So now you 60 years old and you got the next 5 to 10 years where you got to figure out, I just gave up part of my retirement in this divorce. Maybe had to refinance the house to pull some equity out, pay my ex-spouse. What do I need to do? What can I do with the little bit of money that I do have to where I can get myself out of debt quick enough, where I have that money freed up quick enough, where I can hopefully reinvest that money into one or more of the strategies I'm going to teach you today that's going to help you do things like create tax-free income and or generational wealth. Okay, so again, I'm going to show you how we're going to take our current debt that we have and we're going to approach our debt more strategically, where we're going to also be able to create wealth while we are eliminating our debt.